Hello, everyone. Whoa, Shoaib. Hi. Wow, okay. This is new for me, guys. So, yeah. Hi, sweet. Oh my god, that's cute. Hi, Isha1078. Jemin Patel. Julie Mbad. Hi. Oh my god, my husband's there also. Uh, Hi, guys. It's really nice to see you all for the very first time. I'm going to do more of these and I'm going to talk about everything in my life and share a lot with you from now on. I promise you, I'm not going to be so elusive. Yeah, so what are you guys talking about? Okay, so tomorrow Dangerous releases on MX Player, and I want all of you to see it and support me and send me love. And yeah, I want to do definitely more work from now on. My Didi is also here. Love you, Didi. And I am getting lots of hearts. And Marhata, thank you. Uh, Thank you, everyone. How sweet of you guys. Well, yeah, so tomorrow's a big day. So everyone's been talking about my this big comeback. For me, I really had not quantified these number of years that I was not acting. They have pretty much flown by very, very nicely. But right now, I'm missing the set and I want to do more work and interesting work to entertain all of you guys. Um, yeah, so it's your love that keeps me going. It's been so many years that I keep constantly keep getting so much support and so much love from all of you that I'm so humbled. And I want to say that I love you all. And I hope the lockdown is treating you all well and you guys are trying to figure out how to make a better version of your own selves. Because this is a very beautiful time that we have where we can actually work on ourselves, give ourselves optimum self care, spend a lot of quality time with your family, enjoy the luxuries and the comfort of your home. This is a time that's never going to come back. This time is going to end very soon. This pandemic is going to go very soon. I just wish that all of you are staying healthy and staying safe. And now I'm going to look into the messages. Ganesh Godare, hello, hi. It's me Pratik. क्या राज है? अभी तो कोई राज नहीं है. कल आप डेंजरस देखिए और फिर मुझे बताइए आपको कैसे लगी. Oh my god, there's Ketva S. Monica. Love you. Love you too. Love you guys. Hi. Oh, a lot of people are sending love. My ring is beautiful. Nishanam Dev. Nishanam Dev. I hope I'm saying the names correctly. Yeah, it's my ring was designed by Karan, and this was when he proposed to me in Koh Samui. I had a surprise proposal with fireworks and the works, and yeah, it's very special to me. Sesha Sai Imani, hello madam, you look wonderful as usual. Thank you. There are just so many hellos. Hello to everyone and so many love yous. Love you all. Oh, my friend Nikhila is here. Hi Nikhila. I hope Nivaya is there also. Watching me. Well guys, so 15th of August is around the corner. Post Dangerous. 14th of August is very special because it's the release of Dangerous and also it's my parents' anniversary. So it's a very special day for me. It's like my gift to them. So they're going to be watching me a whole day, binge watching on my show. And 15th of August is around the corner, guys. I want to know what you guys are doing to celebrate Independence Day. For us, I think we are actually not celebrating it one day. We are trying to better ourselves to help our country eventually. Every household, if they do their bit by bit, and reduce your waste and choose wisely what's required for your family, look after your family. So it's going to help the country eventually. So everyone should try their best, and I am wishing you Independence Day wishes in advance. And let's see some more messages. Riaz Khan 1044. My mother, Mumu Basu. So cute. She's also online. Yeah, this is the only way we get to see. And we are back. Radhe Official sends me lots of hearts. Thank you so much. Oh, that's so cute. You guys have any questions for me? I can take few questions today. Okay. Deliciously dangerous, Nikhila. Thank you. You're sweet. Hearts and hearts. Oh God, my husband is calling me my dragon strongest. Oh my God. I am sweet right now. I'm not breathing fire, so stop calling me a dragon. Aarti Singh is here. Aarti, love you. She's joined. Okay, there are a lot of people. Ajay Kumar Tanwar, I like you. Thank you. And Manish Bhushan, I love you. Love you. And Neha Verma, you're looking so gorgeous. Thank you. Rahul Prasad, I love you, ma'am. You're my childhood crush. Thank you, Rahul. Well, stop it, husband. Stop sending me hearts. Dhruv Mehta, hi, Adat is now dangerous. Yes, it is. It is Adat that has become dangerous now. Waiting for dangerous. You're so gorgeous. Thank you so much. You guys are so, so kind to me and so, so sweet. P. Gupta 44, I love you. Thank you. Love you too. Anurag Parikh too. You're looking beautiful. Thank you. Shilpi Sajan Har. Please say my name, Shilpi. Shilpi, love you. So sweet. There's just love coming my way. I'm feeling very, very humbled. I should do this more often because you guys are so sweet and kind. Oh, you're my crush, ma'am. Ananya Das, I love you. Love you. Sonia Harwani, you are so inspiring. Thank you so much. Jayesh Thakur, so hot. Thank you. Compliments coming my way. I know my husband, when he gives me compliments, I take it very badly. I say, pat. So he gets very annoyed with that. You are my crush too. Aarti Singh, really? Aditya Krishnan, we miss you. You're not going to miss me now. Now that you will see me in Dangerous, I'm going to do lots more work to entertain all of you guys. I promise I'm not going to hibernate anymore. I'm Shashanki B. So gorgeous inside out. Thank you. Rajput Payal, just one word. Smitten by you. Thank you. How sweet. You guys are so, so sweet. So much love. No questions for me? Mohammad Faizan, I miss you. Oh, Ninja Pinto. My friend Candace is here. My sister's wishing me all the best. That's sweet, you know. Family and friends are around too. That's the sweetest. I need to do this very often. Chemistry is amazing. Mel's Pille. Yeah, thank you. Aarti Singh, make my pizza. Okay. I will. Well, I've been cooking nowadays during the lockdown, and I'm spending a lot of time with my plants. I wonder what you guys are doing, you know, how you are spending your quality time, this time that you've got. I hope you guys are making good use of it. And what are your future projects, Mithilesh? I am looking out for some interesting stuff. I'm going to keep you guys informed very soon. I'll let you know. Okay. That's a lot of love. Diet control is a must for fitness. Dushyant says that. Yes, diet is a must. You need to choose the right nutrition. But, you know, have your dal, chawal, sabzi. Go for your Indian spices and herbs. It's the best for immunity. Try vegetarian food and mix it with lean meat and fish and chicken. You should eat eggs are also amazing. Uh, yeah, so yeah, food is my favorite topic. I love food. Show your abs, Bipasha. Karan Khanna. No, not now. Thank you very much. uh, oh, Neelu, my friend Neelu's here. Lovely. Love you. Miss you guys. Need to see you soon. And a nice pendant. Yeah, my husband bought me this pendant, this evil eye pendant. And this one also. I love evil eyes. So this is also from him. He knows I love these. So all the evil eyes that I wear, these pendants are all from Karan, and they are my favorite. All the bracelets that I wear are from him. Yeah, okay. Oh, so sweet. Dabu Patole. I like your eyes so much. Thank you. Ah, Rajiv. Hey, beautiful. Love you, love you. Miss you, Miss London. Coming soon. P. Vishnu Varathan. You're gorgeous. Thank you. Wow, that's a lot. Sing a song, Shri Kumar Swen. No, I'm sure that all of you will run away if I sing a song. Please, let's leave it to the good singers. I can call Karan. He can sing for you guys. You don't wear white bangle of Bengal. Shakha Pola, I do wear Shakha Pola on days of Pujo. Basically, the puja days, I always wear Shakha Pola. And I have my loha also, which I carry in my wallet all the time. Where have you disappeared? Monica Bhagat. We won't. Please sing. No. This is not my department. I am not good at singing. Lipstick shade, please. Drishti. It's this one is a Huda lipstick. I don't exactly remember the name. It's from the brand Huda. It's those 8-hour lipsticks which you wear once, you don't have to touch up. It just stays, and that's easiest for me because doing constant touch up is a pain. And now because of the lockdown, we don't have our glam squad. I have to do my own makeup and hair and get ready. So I keep it very easy. I don't put foundation, so that's the best. I put some cheek stain and a long-lasting lipstick and a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara, and I'm ready. So it's easy. I'm keeping it easy for these promotions. And I'm getting a lot of love and a lot of hearts. And long hair suits you better, Abdul Mukeet. Thank you. I love short hair also, though. I like to experiment with my hair. Thank you. Love from Pakistan, Sabash Shamim. Thank you. Hope you guys are safe. And more love and hearts. Oh, hearts for my makeup. It's Minayan. Thank you. Kapil Punjabi wants to sing for me. Okay. That's nice. Okay, that's... So guys, so dangerous it is, and you guys need to support me. You guys need to see it for me. And and I'm going to keep in touch regularly now. I'm going to maybe do some Insta lives during my workout or my cooking sessions or when I'm nurturing my plants. All the things that I want to share. Or my beauty routine. If that's what you guys are interested in, how I look after my hair, skin. I actually am depending on all natural products in my kitchen nowadays. I'm trying to make my own hair oils, hair mask, beauty oil. So everything is very natural, and that really helps. Okay, and thank you. You're looking gorgeous and dangerous. Deepak Saraf, thank you. And more hearts. Lots of love from Karnataka. Angel Anu, thank you. Radhe Krishna 2623, how are you? I'm fine. I'm doing really well. And Eunice Choyak, 34 asks me my favorite actor. I have a list of favorite actors, but nobody to beat Mr. Bachchan. He's my all-time favorite. He's amazing. I love him. And Sarju21, love from Punjab. Thank you so much. Thank you. Candy Girl says, I'm looking hot. Thank you. And there's more love. Hearts, smiles. I'm so happy. You guys made me smile and laugh. And Shivani says, you're my favorite from childhood. Thank you. Thank you for your constant support. Thank you. And more hearts. Karan, would you like to sing for them? Because I can't sing. Or you can sing for them later.
Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell.
So the background is my husband singing.
This is lovey.
It's most of the time he's always singing or painting.
When you kiss me, heaven sighs.
Which quality of your husband you like most? Juhi5316 asks me. Well, he's an all-heart person. He's a creative soul. He loves the nature. All those things. He's spiritual. I get inspired by him every day. So yeah, I think it's very important that your partner inspires you. Dabu Patole again. How is Karan sir? He is doing very well. And he's going to be live on his Instagram handle at 8 p.m. So if anyone wants to chat with him and make him sing, please be there. Thank you guys. So it was really wonderful getting so much love. I'm going to sleep very peacefully because I've got so much love today from you guys. And tomorrow is a dangerous day. You guys have to watch Dangerous for me. And and I'm going to, after watching it, even I'm going to watch it. Maybe on the 15th or 16th, again, I'm going to have another live session where you can tell me what you thought of Dangerous. And also let me know what you think I should do next. You know, what genre? Should I do a comedy? Because that's something that I really want to do. Because there's a fun side of me which has not been really... I've not used it much as an actor, except like in No Entry and All the Best. So should I do more of that? Or should I do, thrillers or drama? So we're going to talk about that in the next session. Okay then, guys. I am going to now say bye to you guys and hope you guys have a wonderful night. And tomorrow, don't forget, it's time to see Dangerous. It starts midnight from tonight. So whoever is if you guys can stay up and watch it, great. I sleep very early, so I'm going to watch it in the day. And so thank you guys, love you, good night, and see you guys very soon. Bye.